victory at the Salt Lake Stadium. What a moment.
लियो मेसी उनके डायना पे हैं जो रोड्रिगो दी पॉल, उन्होंने गए हैं अभी इंटर मियामी में खेलने के लिए.
Been and in sold out stadiums, they have played World Cup finals, Copa America finals, Champions League finals, but still, I'm sure they will be feeling the
electrification today. This row will possibly reach that. Believe me, Kolkata has had the record before. We talked about derbies, but
he scored just 2 goals because he's a defensive midfielder and played 83 games, and he's being introduced, all the players being introduced to the Indian legends. And again, this is a wonderful moment, a fan moment, a fanboy moment.
They're legends in their own right of Indian football, but when you come up against the GOAT, great man, and to the game of football itself, you saw a quick celebration there. Somebody just got an autograph of Messi and goes on celebrating like they scored a goal.
लियो मेसी के संग में रोड्रिगो दी पॉल और ये विश्वमय है. आप दुनिया के कोई भी देश में जाइए, वहाँ पे जो अहम खिलाड़ी होते हैं, जो बहुत स्किलफुल होते हैं, उनको मेसी कहा जाते हैं. सोचिए जैसे जापान में बोलते हैं टाकेफुसा कुबो, इस बॉल जापानीज मेसी.
Get onto the pitch, they want to be like the great man.
Rohit, who's the Indian Messi?
I think there's one name that comes undoubtedly to us: Sunil Chhetri, the man who's transcended every single boundaries that an Indian footballer can dream of.
The greatest is here. The dream is here. Leo Messi in Kolkata again after 14 long years.
Every time the crowds just get louder and louder.
Whirlwind of emotions, possibly trying to gauge. He knows what Kolkata football fans can be like, and now he's soaking it for a second time. Just trying to gauge the emotions, the raw, root feelings that come with him.
Yeah, to have an absolute packed out house for the great man who's not even playing, he's just come and he might just play a little bit of tiki-taka here and there, just goes to show the fandom.
Someone very nicely put it: no matter how high you reach, unless you share it with your best of friends, the joy will remain kind of splintered to you. So guess what? Messi knows it all, and that's why, not just all of it, I think Messi is also an embodiment of humility. The humility that he carries with himself, it's very rare, but make no mistake, he's already touched the skies and above.
Yes, that same boyish grin, it still remains. And he is such loved character. Just remember, when he